Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more update. Today we are explore radial info burst using custom shape. Open Photoshop and create new document. Then select the custom shape tool and choose a burst or stage shape. Draw the shape in the center, change fill color to bright highlight tone and duplicate the burst shape or resize the duplicate slightly smaller, change its color to the darker side, align both bursts carefully and add bold info text in the center, rotate it burst slightly for energy, adjust text tracking, double click the top burst layer and add inner shadow. Press OK, zoom out to preview info burst grabs attention. Custom shape is complete. Thanks for watching. Your project is ready in Photoshop.